speech. So hold on. I ask Grace something. So when Grace want to talk her mind, she go up on her live. Me can start report your page to you, Grace. You didn't know? I don't choose to. Because my heart is free and my spirit free. See? So why would you and your cronies be reporting my page all the while? I'm not going to stoop to your level by reporting your page because you're an artist and your page important and you hold for followers. You could have 100 million followers who can report your page, you know. Boozy losing page there, bag of people lose them page. Killer losing page there. Not because you have hold for followers I think you can't lose your page. Me don't choose to do it. Because my heart cleaner than that, me just attack the truth. Remember me not hate you, no Gracie. Me not hate Jada. Me not hate Shensia. Me not hate Lila Ike. Me not hate none about no defile. Wanna go low. You understand? Wanna go low. Wanna shame the culture and the music. So when I report my page, you don't know me still. If you lock down that page, I open my next one. And the followers them are gonna come. Me just open that page and I have 18,000 followers already. And me alright. And if I have 18 followers, me alright, you know. I am not consumed or governed by Instagram. I am governed and consumed by the Almighty. The universe is my God. So if I take 1 million page, me I go forward again. You understand? If you could have report 1 million page, and I could have asked my followers them to report their page too. Spice, me not do that. So stop. Then everybody talk about heart clean and who bad mind and who do this. Come on. And Dave look at something and show the heights of bad mind. Look how much people may have burn out. I burn out Chensi over there wicked, my page never report. I burn out all kind of people all the while. Today, I clear you. And I clear you about real things and honest things. All of a sudden my page report. Me I go believe say you. Me I go believe say you and you can come and ball Christ. And say, oh, if me even feel like the S in my name, you call me. I care less. He look like a you. It look like a you. Yes, Rashid, I am assuming that it's Spice and our cronies. Because 2 times my page get reported when me I do live. 1 my page gone. Foota Hype music page gone with almost 300,000 followers. And now that one here, as soon as me I beat her and I talk the truth, Shelly Platinum, big up yourself. I Shelly Platinum this from TikTok. I wish Shelly Platinum this. So it's like once me I beat Spice, my page get reported. Spice, you know, on Instagram. If them lock down that page, yeah, I open my next one. If them block the email, yeah, I open my next email address. And come back with that. Yes, I am assuming. Uno deaf. Uno now hear me say, yes, I am assuming that it's Spice. Uno deaf? Uno now listen what I say. Uno go and let me talk with water in my mouth. I am assuming that it's Spice and our cronies reported my page. Uno deaf? Uno gonna like me a big friend. I rate Spice and everything, but Spice no want to rate me, I don't rate Spice neither. Spice not feed me. Me not feed Spice. Uno no realize that yet about me. Me no care how big he is or how small he is. If you don't rate me, me no rate you. If you don't want to hear the truth, you don't have to chat to me, you don't have to deal with me. I care zero. You understand? The truth will always be an offense. And the speaker of truth always has no friends. But me tell you already, I am a jailer. I've been to jail multiple times and I am isolated by myself. So I know how to enjoy my own company. If Spice not chat to me, I am okay. If Shensi not chat to me, I am okay. If Ramesh not chat to me, I am okay. If Jada not chat to me, me good. And me no business. IQ zero. Who don't understand it? My mother, that I love the most in the world, she passed away from the flesh. And me still a survive. So you think a stranger I go gone and me ball? No. Worse for I shoot me attack. Just another day in the business. It could have been anybody, but I have reason to believe it's Spice. It could be anybody report my page, but I have reasons to believe it's Spice. Big up Rachel. You understand? But one thing more I said to people, me dying for ladies are forward, you know. Cause when ladies are forward now, we can settle all argument. Cause before ladies are leave, she was at the top spot and untouchable. So when she come back now and see if she still have the dominance. Cause Spice said she ready for her. Me would have keep the show. I would have paid the two of them for the show. Because I have people who can invest. I have Rev can invest. We have paperwork. We have Apilus. We have them financial backing for keep that show. We have part of them from Canada. We're ready for invest. Ladies and Spice. Them have to clash. The two of them work them own set. And we see who bad. Them have to clash. If them don't want to clash, fine. But you do your set. 1 hour set. Ladies are the 1 hour set. Spice the 1 hour set. Saw the 1 hour set. Dancehall is back. Dancehall is back. Let's go. Let's go. And we stop all of this chatting and bickering and tracing who they live in a over house and who have Wull heap of house now and who. Let's just put it to the test. Maka na in it. Spice beat Maka like a slave over Sting already. That day night. Maka says Spice saw OBR and mash up her career and thing. That is personal. But that shows something here. Maka na in it because Maka get a chance after Saw and Saw beat her. But me did over them. Me did stand up over them. One time Maka make her vexedness get the best of her. When you clash, you have to have composure. Maka get vexed for real. So when Maka get vexed now, she start. She ignorant till she a tremble and she now remember the lyrics them and bag of thing because she angry. She too angry. You see me and Sarah get the better and bag of thing. See? So that outright. That outright completely. See? What me I say now is, see? Spice have a lot to say. Ladies have a lot to say. We are tired of this bickering and this back and forth and this up and down thing. Ladies come back for even 2 months and we keep the show. Pay on the 101, because I beg on pay on the 101, pay Spice and pay ladies. Who don't even have to clash. One perform and the next one perform and we see who lock down the place more. You understand? We book Rough Cut band to come a foreign and come do the show. So Rough Cut used to play for Spice, Rough Cut used to play for Ladies, Rough Cut, no, play with which God? After no God, no over Christianity. Jesus and a God, brother. What do you mean can't play with God? A wrong thing, saw do over this a long time. A long time I want to tell her, but Mr. Chuck, Lord, make she live her life and do what she want. Because go over Christianity don't make no sense. Christianity are wicked, wicked something. Especially to black people. See? So, sir, God now vex with you. Stop make people, what people are going to say, make you forward. Because I know you want forward. You see me? Me know say you want forward. Me know you want to come straight north them gal here. Come in with there. See? Me there. We ready to keep the show. We are ready. Me have the financial investors where we need. And we have who to put the venue together the right way. Zine? Or if you don't want to clash, another near each other, we can get hybrid events to set up 2 stages. One over Yasso and one over Yasso. Sa over Yasso on fair stage. Spice over Yasso on fair stage. Sa have our entourage in a fair stage box. Spice have our entourage in a stage box. That one a chatter lyrics, that one a chatter lyrics. One banner work for the 2 of them. The banner go there in the middle between the 2 stage them. And it work. We ready? We ready. We can do this. We can do this. Junior P, what you say? No fear in this that, brother? No fear in this that? People, what may I say? This bickering and back and forth don't make any sense. Zine, we have to just settle all argument. We have to just do this for the sake of dancehall and the culture. This bickering don't make no sense. Spice says Sa bad mind. Sa says Spice bad mind. Sa says she used to put up Spice. Spice says she have her own house now. Back and forth. I cannot deal with it. I cannot deal with it. So make we do this and make everybody make money. We cut Spice and Lady Sir a percentage from pay-per-view and everything. We can do a 360 deal where they make money out of everything. But we need to settle this. We need to settle this. It needs to settle. We need to settle this. It not look good. A years it a go on. And for some reason, Spice and Sa now clash. Me don't know if a Spice a run or a Sa run. Me don't know who a run, but somebody running. Somebody just a chat up on interview or something and not take the show. Who not take the show? Which one of them? Remember the last some fest Sa do. Spice worked before her and then Sa work and done the place. Spice go on good. But when Sa work a problem, I swear, some I wonder why them never clash. And then I sting, why they make Maka clash Sa when I Spice them they want to clash. So something alright, somebody running. Somebody a find back an excuse. So I don't know if it's Lady Sa and I don't know if it's Spice. But we can settle this. Sa live a foreign, Spice live a foreign.